Watch me withdraw over $4,800 in Bitcoin within 60 seconds, guys. You're going to be blown away by this amazing software called EchoOne that is just killing it when it comes to cranking out those Bitcoins, guys. I'm really excited. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to jump right into it so that you guys can see exactly how this software works and how it's just amazing when it comes to cranking out that Bitcoin and being able to make those very, very profitable rewards. All right, guys, so just hang in there and let me jump right into it so you guys can see what is going on. So just bear with me right now and let me show you. Switch over here. Okay, guys, so this is the EchoOne software. All right, and like I told you, I've really enjoyed a lot of these platforms that do instant withdrawals, and that's great and all. The problem is that when they are allowing instant withdrawals every single day, that can be a problem, because what happens is the company doesn't have enough time to do their various crypto trading on the various different exchanges. They're not able to do that during that time, because what ends up happening is you keep ending up withdrawing throughout the week instantly, endlessly, over and over and over again, and the company needs time during the week to be able to trade those funds. Now, what's amazing here with EchoOne is that now they have figured it out where now they allow instant withdrawals on the weekend, on Saturdays and Sundays, so that throughout the week they can continue with their trading more proficiently, safely, without having to worry about funds just constantly going out the door. This way, they're able to prepare properly so that when withdrawal time is open, they've got the funds available and ready. So I'm going to show you exactly, guys, how this instant withdrawal works with EchoOne software technology. But what's amazing is just exactly what EchoOne is all about, the future that we're headed to. We're really excited because I actually have I'm just a regular member, okay, but I do have communication with the founders, and I'm really excited about it because we have some great connections and great communication. Now, as you guys know, it's going to launch fully in 3 days. We're still in pre-launch. Now, before we jump right into it, guys, I want to just go on record with my disclaimer so that everybody understands where I stand in this. Okay, so disclaimer, I am not your financial advisor. None of us are. There's a risk in cryptocurrencies and/or platforms. There are no guarantees. Results may vary. Nothing you see or hear is to be considered an investment advice, or the sales or offering of securities. This is for educational purposes only. You are simply purchasing packages with cryptos intended to give you rewards from gains. Never deposit more than you can afford to risk. Percentages of any kind are subject to change depending on market conditions or other factors. All videos, webinars, and promotional materials are for affiliate marketing, not intended to target citizens in the United States or Canada, and must check with local rules before joining cryptocurrency platforms of all types. All right, so now that we got that out of the way, let's jump right in here. And now, guys, before I continue further here and show you exactly me withdraw this $4,800, okay? And I'm going to show it to you right now. It's just going to blow you away because I'm really excited about how fast the thing is, because it's right into the blockchain right away. And before that, I'm also going to, before I jump into all of this, what I want you guys to do is remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click subscribe, click that red button, click the bell notification, leave a comment if you would, click like, and click that bell notification so you get subscribed to all the very latest videos that I'll be uploading in the future as we move forward, because we're going to be sharing a lot of amazing and wonderful things. So click that bell notification, leave a comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would appreciate that as much as possible if you're able to do that. And also, most importantly, subscribe to my Telegram channel in the description below. That's where you're going to get all the very latest information, not just YouTube videos, but materials and media and updates and everything, and Zoom calls. Everything will be right there in my Telegram channel. So subscribe there and get all the information that you would ever dream of by clicking that Telegram channel and subscribing. and joining that channel. All right, guys, and remember, you can contact me directly through the channel by commenting underneath one of the messages. Just comment below in there, and you can reach out to me, and you can also message me directly as well. Everything's in the description below. Okay, guys, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to break down exactly what EchoOne is and how it is generating these rewards from actual purchases of packages. Okay, now this is what's amazing, is that the withdrawals are instant, okay? But you're going to learn exactly how we are making those gains, okay? But now let me show you exactly how it works. So I'm going to go ahead and hit withdraw right now, and I'm going to withdraw all $4,800, okay? Now you're going to hear a cha-ching, okay? You're going to hear that sound, and I'm going to turn up the volume here so that you can hear that cha-ching sound in the background. And when you hear that cha-ching sound, you will know that it's the Bitcoin hitting my wallet, okay? So here we go. So I'm going to select my wallet right here. Here's my Bitcoin wallet, and I'm going to simply type in that full amount right here, 4,860. Okay, forget the cents. No point in doing that. Keep things simple. And then I'm going to go ahead and click submit. Okay, so when I hit submit, we're going to withdraw all of that right away. It's just going to be mind-blowing. Watch this. Okay, here we go. Submit. Okay, just give it a little time. You have to be patient. Only hit it once. There's the blockchain ID right there. You can see it, the transaction ID. You should hear that cha-ching. There you go. Did you hear it? Now that was amazing, guys. You heard it. You heard it for yourself. It hit my wallet instantly. This is built and coded right into the blockchain. But what's amazing is that they've opened up instant Bitcoin withdrawals for weekends, Saturdays and Sundays. Then they close it off, and then the trading continues. And then they can trade freely without having to worry about any withdrawal interruptions. This is genius, guys. They really worked this out. They really figured it out to give this platform the biggest long-term potential. I know the founders behind it. We've been developing, working and talking about this system now for a while. No, I have nothing to do with the organization itself, okay? I have nothing to do with it itself. However, I've been in good communication with them, and they have come up with some really brilliant ideas, and I'm just really excited, guys. This is amazing. Okay, now let me just show you exactly what's cooking here, okay? Because I broke this down, okay? I broke this down for you guys so you guys could see. So this is EchoOne right here. EchoOne, breakthrough advanced algorithmic trading to maximize gains, robust, secure risk management, optimized for volatile market conditions and dynamics, historical gains. So far we're getting, because there's no promises and percentages, there's no guarantees. You are not guaranteeing to earn anything, okay? But what we're showing you are historical averages that they have achieved so far to date. So far, the gains have been 0.7 to 1.8% daily to date. Okay, this can change. We cannot make any promises because the markets are always changing. So this is what's amazing. So we got a plan with a 3x your capital. That's the plan. It is able, these packages are able to generate rewards for you. These are just simply rewards. Okay. Get your principal back through daily rewards. The minimum package is $100. Max is 500. You also have a superior unilevel comp plan. Okay, so they've traded, they've got this amazing superior unilevel, 9% direct commissions, 4 levels for regular users and 10 levels for team leaders. And also they've traded for 10 months prior to pre-launch. These guys, they've been working for a long time. They've got a trading team of 8 years of experience. Yes, truly 8 years of experience. They know what they're doing. Instant Bitcoin withdrawals weekly, Saturday and Sunday. You guys can get a copy of this if you want. So if you come in my team and you ask me for my team group, because I have a private team group, you can ask me that in my channel and say, hey, how do I get in your team group? First, you need to make a deposit. First, you need to join and make a deposit of $100 or more simply, and then you will be qualified to join my private team group, where you will get access to all of the materials and information. So you can be sharing it on social media, you can be sharing this information, and you can also get some leads and grow your business as well. So I've got all the great materials that you ever dreamed of. Okay, so let me just show this with you right here. So this is a breakdown summary that I made of EchoOne summary, historical gains of up to 0.7 to 1.8% daily to date with Bitcoin from our advanced algorithmic trading technology and professional traders of 8 years of experience, pays instant Bitcoin withdrawals in BTC every Saturday and Sunday. Our CEO is Nicholas Bennett. We have a very advanced, sophisticated system here. Let me just quickly go into full remote here. I gave it a personal risk assessment of medium. What makes EchoOne so exceptional? And here's some bullet points that just make it really stand out. And they're basically the same bullet points that I made in the image, the meme that you guys can use and share as well. Okay, and I've got like 3 versions of those. One for info, asking info, one for watch video, one for join link. So let's keep going here real quick and we'll see exactly what we're talking about here. You've got your average gains here, instant Bitcoin withdrawals weekly on gains and commissions every Saturday and Sunday. Minimum withdrawal is $35, okay? Maximum is no limit. Fees are 3% deposits and 5% withdrawals. All capital deposits are returned in the daily rewards until 3x your deposit. Superior unilevel commission structure, 4 levels and then 10 levels. You can read it right here yourself. You can screenshot this or pause it. Trade it in 10 months prior to pre-launch. Team of 8 years of experience. Real-time live trading updates feed to keep you track of the trading operations. So here it is, guys. You want to see for yourself? I got it right here. So here is the live trading. You can see it going on. You can see all the different the trading ID, the coin that was traded, the entry price, the exit price, and the profit. Just amazing, guys. You know, so we're really impressed that they're very transparent. They show the actual trading that is taking place. So there you have it. Okay, so let's move over here. And let's keep going. So let's keep going down this list. So we have a very robust risk management system optimized for volatile market conditions and dynamics, professional and timely support to keep up with the demand, and with EchoOne we are positioned to at the perfect timing to take advantage of one of the most powerful and explosive platforms in the industry, designed to be simple, easy, duplicatable, and yes, explosive. So here we go, guys. Here it is. And of course, the disclaimer again, try to use a non-custodial wallet like Trust or Exodus wallet. That's my recommendation, and do it directly. Don't do it from an exchange directly. Get it from your exchange into your private Exodus wallet or Trust wallet, and then from there make the deposit. Always make sure that you add the extra 3% deposit fee if you want to have a certain amount in there. Okay, so let's just keep moving here, folks. Okay. And then this is the actual presentation right here. So we have a full screen, a full-blown presentation. We're going to also be having Nicholas Bennett be coming on very soon, very shortly, in some of our future webinars and videos. And let me just keep moving here. We have the whole thing broken down in detail, but my summary pretty much summarizes everything that you need to know that's very important. Okay, so let's keep going here. And guys, that's it. You have a great unit level with some great compensation plan that you can share. And remember that you've got everything right here on the EchoOne website. You can break it down real here. You can even, they even have a calculator. Right here, they just break it all down for you. So it's really nice. They have a help section, referrals. So guys, that is pretty much it. It's just very simple, easy, refreshing, duplicatable, exciting, guys. So you can always go in there and then you just analyze everything. You can just go right here to withdrawals. Let me show you how to make a deposit. So you simply click on deposit and then you simply choose your coin. Okay, and then once you've chosen your coin, okay, all you got to do is type in the amount that you want to deposit. Okay, let's say 5,500. And then click continue. Now when you click continue, a QR code will open, and then all you got to do is send the exact amount to the BTC address that they're asking and give that exact amount. Don't send any less or any more. Send the exact amount, okay? And always include the fee that you type in here. You type it in here, include whatever fee. Let's say you want to come in with, 10,000, okay? If you don't want it to fall in there less than 10,000, you need to do 10,350 or something like that, just to make sure you cover for that 3% fee. Okay, and because you're doing 10,000, 3,350, you got to make sure you cover all that. Okay, just make sure that the fee is enough to make sure that it will be over 10,000 if that's what you prefer. If you don't want it to land in there to be 9,000, 700 or something, that's just if you want it to display in there in that way. Okay guys, that is it I think for today. Look how much I've withdrawn already, 7,476 on this beautiful, simple, duplicatable platform, and the referrals just keep pouring in. People are coming in, and the business is growing. People are really kicking in. 103 total referrals, 31 active referrals, and more people will be depositing as we go. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I'm really excited. Remember once again to subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the like button, click the bell notifications so you get notified all the time. Leave a comment if you would, and most importantly, subscribe to my Telegram channel in the description below, where you're going to get all the very latest updates and exactly how I'm cranking out that crypto, guys. Exciting times ahead. We're just barely beginning. This is pre-launch. We are right at the cusp, right at the beginning of this beautiful platform. It has a great future ahead, and they have put it together in such a fashion as to increase and enhance the chances of longevity and profit and sustainability. All right, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for watching this entire video, and I will see you next time. And most importantly, I shall see you at the top. All right, over and out. Take care and blessings.